In this beginner video, I'm going to show you how to play 4 open chords with different variations, along with 4 simple chord progressions using these 4 chords to help you learn tons of songs. Stick around to the end of this video for a bonus tip that will help you take this concept to even a higher level. Coming up. So hey, what's up? Clay here with Clay Jarvis Guitar. On this channel, I bring you tips, tools, and strategy videos to help you go further, faster with guitar. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and be sure and check out the links in the description for notes on this video and other helpful resources. So step number 1, we're going to learn 4 open chords. We're going to learn a G chord, a C chord, an E minor chord, and a D chord. The G is your 6th string, 3rd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret. These are open, and then your 1st string, 3rd fret. So play it like this, or you can play with these 3 fingers. Either way. Your C chord is your 5th string, 3rd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret. Open G, 2nd string, 1st fret. Open bottom E, so looks like that right there. E minor is all the strings, and you've got your open E, and then 2nd fret, you've got these 2 notes here. You can play them with these 2 fingers, or you can play them with these 2 fingers, and the rest are all open. D, start with your open D note right here. Then you've got your 3rd string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 1st string, 2nd fret. Just like that. So step number 2, we're going to take these same chords but do a little bit of a different variation of 3 of the chords. So we're going to take the G chord and we're going to make it look like that right there. What we're doing is playing these top 2 strings the same, but on the bottom E string, 1st string, we're playing with our pinky. On our 2nd string, we're going to be playing the 3rd fret with our 3rd finger. So we're going to play it like this right here. Now this is still a G major chord, and we're going to leave these 2 notes right here the same through the other 3 chords, which is going to be a C. So here's our G. If we drop these 2 fingers down, 1 string each, now we've got a C. It's actually a different variation of a C, but it works as a C chord. There's your G, there's your C. For your E minor, we're going to take these 2 same fingers, swing them over here where we're playing an E minor. Now we're just going to be playing a normal D. So again, you've got your G, C, E minor, D, and then back to G. So hey, if this video is helpful for you, then be sure and give it a thumbs up, so YouTube will show it to more people just like you. Also, let me know in the comments, are you a beginner guitar player? And if so, what questions do you have? So step 3, we're just simply going to put these 4 chords together with this different variation. So your G, C, E minor, D, back to G. So we're going to do 4 different chord progressions. Each chord gets 4 beats or 1 measure. So you can play downstrokes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can just play just any kind of strum pattern, doesn't really matter, as long as you've got 4 beats to each chord. So the first chord progression is going to be a G to a D to an E minor to a C back to G. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Our second chord progression is going to be a G to a C to an E minor to a D, and then back to G. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, our third chord progression is going to be a G, an E minor, a C, a D, and then back to G. If you grew up like I did listening to a lot of 50s and 60s music, then you'll recognize tons of songs from this genre in this chord progression. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, for our fourth chord progression, it's going to be a G to an E minor to a D to a C back to G. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Another thing is when you practice these chords, if you notice my hand stays in position. It never does really move too far from this position, which is really, really helpful. So now for the bonus tip. We're going to use this capo right here, and we're going to put this on the 2nd fret. You put it right behind the bar right there. Now we're going to still play these same chords, but now we're going to be in the key of A with this capo on, because there's my note right there that we're starting on, which is an A. So instead of a G chord, this is an A, E, F sharp minor, D, and then back to A. So we can move this capo up to the 5th fret. And guess what? We're starting with this note here, which is a C note. Now we're in the key of C. So here we go. C, A minor, F, G, and back to C. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Click on the video that's on your screen right now to see more about using the capo. And we'll see you in the next video.